Imagine having an appliance that not only meets all your cooking needs, but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen. This Café Couture Oven with air fry is here to revolutionize your cooking experience with its sleek design, advanced technology, and unparalleled versatility. This review will take you through the features and benefits of this exceptional oven, showing you why it's the ultimate addition to any modern kitchen. Key features: air fry function. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with less oil and fewer calories, thanks to the air fry setting. Bake function. Perfect for baking cakes, cookies, and bread with even heat distribution. Broil function. Ideal for achieving a crispy, golden brown finish on meats and vegetables. Toast function. Toasts bread and bagels to your preferred shade of golden perfection. Slow cook and dehydrate functions. Versatile settings that expand your cooking possibilities, from slow-cooked stews to homemade dried fruits. More about this item. The first thing that catches your eye about the Café Couture Oven is its stunning matte white finish. This appliance isn't just about performance. It's a statement piece that enhances the aesthetics of your kitchen. The large capacity is another major draw, accommodating 12-inch pizzas, 9 13-inch cake pans, and 2-quart casserole dishes with ease. This spacious cooking cavity is perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. Imagine hosting a dinner party where your oven not only cooks to perfection, but also impresses your guests with its sleek, modern design. What sets the Café Couture Oven apart is its versatility. It offers 14 cooking modes, ensuring you can flawlessly prepare any recipe. These modes include air fry, crisp finish, bake, broil, roast, toast, bagel, pizza, cookies, proof, dehydrate, slow cook, reheat, and keep warm. Whether you're making kids snacks or sophisticated hors d'oeuvres, this oven has you covered. With 14 essential cooking modes, this oven is your ultimate kitchen companion, ready to handle any culinary challenge. Incorporating smart technology, the Café Couture Oven elevates your cooking experience. It is Wi-Fi connected, allowing you to control it using voice commands through Echo or Google Home devices. The Smarth app adds another layer of convenience, letting you start and program cooking modes remotely and even download updates to keep your oven's functionality up to date. Experience the future of cooking with smart features that bring convenience and innovation to your fingertips. Ease of use is paramount in the design of the Café Couture Oven. It features intuitive controls and a bright LCD, making it simple to program the cooking mode, time, and temperature. The crisp finish function can be added to any meal, ensuring your dishes have that perfect, crunchy texture. Simplify your cooking process with intuitive controls and a clear LCD that make operating the oven a breeze. The Café Couture Oven boasts 6 quarts heating elements that deliver rapid preheating and even cooking. These elements allow you to set temperatures ranging from 80 F for proofing to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying. This wide temperature range ensures you can cook a variety of dishes with precision and efficiency. Achieve professional quality cooking results at home with rapid preheating and even heat distribution. Safety and convenience are built into the Café Couture Oven. The large window and interior light let you monitor your food without opening the door, maintaining the cooking temperature and ensuring even results. Additionally, the oven's design includes a cool touch handle and an auto shut-off feature, providing peace of mind during use. Cook with confidence, knowing that safety and convenience are at the forefront of this oven's design. The Café Couture Oven comes with a range of accessories that enhance its versatility and convenience. These include a baking rack, an air fry basket, and a baking pan, all designed to fit perfectly within the oven. These accessories ensure you have everything you need to get started with your culinary adventures right out of the box. Equipped with essential accessories, this oven is ready to help you create delicious meals from day one. In conclusion, the Café Couture Oven with air fry is more than just an appliance. It's a revolution in home cooking. Its combination of smart technology, versatile cooking modes, and stylish design make it a standout choice for any kitchen. Whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned chef, this oven will elevate your cooking experience, making meal preparation easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Invest in the Café Couture Oven today and transform the way you cook. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.